Hey. Just inviting some of you, seeing who can get on right now. So welcome to my family room. It's a rainy, cold day in Chicagoland. George and I just had a nice meal. We're listening to a little jazz you may hear in the background. You know, we have a trumpet performance major son, so we're really into jazz. And George has had a rough day, and he sat in the chair, he's reading a magazine, listening to jazz, and I said, honey, can I demo a Valor balance on you for Facebook Live for my community? And he's like, sure. So, no matter when you jump on and see this, I'm going to do a Valor balance on George Hunter right now. So here we go. Do you see his footsies down there? All right, so I'm just gonna sit on my footstool. You can do this anywhere, to your kids, to your husband, to whoever you want to give a little comfort and support to. So we have our beautiful bottle of Valor, and I'm gonna let 3 to 6 drops drop into the palm of my hand. I'm gonna rub my hands together, and I'm gonna rub it on to the bottom of his feet. How's that feel, honey?
Very nice.
Then I'm gonna take my right hand to his right foot, so crossing my hands over, my left hand to his left foot, and I'm gonna hold the palms of my hands to the bottom of his feet. No, to the bottom of his feet. And I'm just gonna hold and breathe, and I'm gonna tell him, breathe, honey. Nice. And I'm just holding on, seeing if I can have balanced energy between his right foot and his left foot, between the palms of my hands and his feet. I may close my eyes. So that you can feel. Would you please relax, sweetie, and quit flinching your toes? Please. Ah, there, right when you stopped and you just started to be. Ah, it happened. You feel the warmth coming into your feet now? It's moving up to your knees. And you can hold as long as it takes, and if you get really good at this, you can feel it traveling up the receiver's body. And when you find yourself taking a big breath and you see your receiver, your participant, taking a big deep breath, you can know that that Valor is moving deep within their bodies. It's a really cool feeling to give. So I'm going to show an added little technique that I like to do, Brazilian toe. It's an energy medicine tool, and so I'm going to take my middle finger and my thumb and place it at the bottom of the toe, the second toe, and I'm just going to hold and breathe. And train with my breath, sweetie. And when you feel the energy between those two right foot and left foot toes, you can move to the next toe third toe, so you're using your third finger and your thumb at the base of that toe and just hold. Moving to the next toe with that third finger and third toe. How's it feel?
Very nice, very nice.
And then move to the pinky toe with the pinky finger and the thumb at the base of that pinky toe, front and back. You'll find yourself taking a big deep breath if you allow yourself and you know the energy is flowing from divine all the way through you to your receiver. Just giving a little love, giving a little support with this beautiful blend of valor. And then end with the big toe with your first finger and thumb at the base of that big toe. So anyone who is blessed to receive your loving touch and the loving blend of valor is going to be one happy camper. Are you a happy camper, honey?
Happy camper.
Oh, nice. So practice on your kids, practice on your loved ones. Enjoy giving and then teach them how to do it and take time to receive as well. You gonna give me a Valor balance later, honey?
Sure.
All right, guys, have a good night. Get out your Valor. If you have not ordered Valor, get it on your next order. You only get one per month. So in my opinion, friends, order it every month. So if you're not on Essential Rewards, find out about Essential Rewards and get your Valor going. We all need it. You see me scratch my head? That is clarification that what I say is true. So get your Valor and give and have fun doing it. And fire, jazz, a little bit of love. Life is good. Enjoy the night. Ciao.